In this tutorial, I'll show you how to synchronize on Brave. By the end, you'll have Brave Sync set up between your devices, with your chosen data types securely kept up to date, and you'll know how to manage or remove devices from your sync chain. First, set up Sync on your main device. Open the Brave browser. Click the menu icon in the top right corner, then click Settings. In the Settings page, find and open Sync. Click Start using Sync. When the Sync setup screen appears, select New Sync Chain. This creates a private link between your devices. Now choose what to sync. You'll see options like bookmarks, history, passwords, extensions, open tabs, and more. Turn on the items you want to keep consistent across devices. Pick only what you need. You can change this later. Next, copy the sync code. Brave will display a sync code, and it may also show a QR code. This code securely connects your devices and works like a password, so don't share it publicly. Click to copy the code, or keep the screen open if you plan to scan the QR from another device. Now sync another device. On your second device, open the Brave browser. Click the menu icon, go to Settings, then open Sync. Click Start using Sync. This time, select I have a sync code. If you copied a text code, paste or carefully type it into the field. If you're scanning, switch to the Scan option and point the camera at the QR code displayed on your main device. Once the code is entered or scanned, choose the data you want to sync on this device. You can mirror the same options you selected earlier or tailor them to this device's needs. Your devices will begin syncing in the background. If you included bookmarks or open tabs, you'll see them appear after a short moment as Brave completes the initial sync. At this point, your devices are connected in the same sync chain. To manage sync at any time, go back to Settings and open Sync. Here, you can turn individual sync options on or off. For example, if you only want bookmarks and passwords to sync, switch off the others. Changes apply immediately and affect how this device participates in the chain. If you need to remove a device from the sync chain, stay in the sync settings. You'll see the list of devices connected. Select the device you want to remove, then choose the Remove option. This safely disconnects that device without affecting the others. If you remove the device you're currently using, it will leave the chain and stop syncing new data. But your existing local data remains on this device unless you clear it separately. Once that's done, review your sync options to confirm they match what you want. You can return to this page anytime to adjust your settings, add another device, or disconnect one. Brave will continue syncing in the background whenever the browser is open and you're online. Your Brave Sync is now set up, your selected data is syncing between devices, and you know how to manage or remove devices as needed. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.